Welcome. In this video, I will quickly show how you can change Apple Watch Series 10 band. So it is a relatively simple thing to do. Unfortunately, the only band that I have is already put on, so I will schematically show you how you should proceed if you have multiple bands which you would like to swap or change between. So first step is to take off the band that is currently mounted onto your Apple Watch. So if you will look at the charging side of your Apple Watch, you'll see that it has two buttons, physical buttons, which once pressed release the belt holders or the band holders. So press those buttons in and slide it out, and do the same for the other end as well. Now let's pretend that I actually have another strap or belt to my name. So here is the new belt I would like to install, and the way the Apple Watches are engineered is that you will not be able to position the band incorrectly, or at least I wasn't able to do that. So I do not have any guides or advices on how to properly mount them, so it's pretty much a guessing game for me always, but you can just look at your Apple Watch, look at the band, and roughly estimate how it will be positioned while you will wear it on your hand. So I'd assume mine should be like that. And now all that you gotta do, you do not need to press those buttons, by the way, is to position it in this indent or notch or gauge, whatever this thing is properly called. And once you position it properly, you should be able to slide it in no problem. And once you slide it all the way, the band becomes fixated, or just becomes all the way mounted, which pretty much means that you will not be able to remove it unless you actually press this button here, which means that it has been installed successfully, by the way. And once one end is inserted, the other should not pose any difficulties at all. So just slide it in like you did with the first one, and that's how you change the band on the Apple Watch Series 10. And well, this video is finished, so thanks for watching, and bye bye.